I have had trouble with my prostate for many years. I am a 53-year-old male. I am vegan, ND. Wow, vegan ND, eat fruit, but have a weakness for sweet things. I also do urine therapy, drink 4 pints of distilled water a day, yet can see no results. Am I doing anything wrong? Please help. All right. Number 1, kidneys must filter. Number 2, the adrenal glands must be working appropriately. Those are the 2 hiccups that you got to look at. Now let's go up to thyroid, skin. You want to make sure your underarm basal temperatures are close to 98 and that you can get a good sweat going. Because these are the 2 big areas of elimination of the lymphatic system. The kidneys in particular to the prostate because it's real close, right? So you've got to get your prostate filtering and get your lymphatic system moving. And that'll pull all this inflammation out of the prostate and it won't beat up the cells of the prostate. If that's your only hope is to get all that inflammation out of the prostate, and there's only one doorway to it. See, when you're sitting there and acids are stagnant in tissue and sitting there burning up this tissue, whether it's the prostate, the ovaries, the uterus, who cares what it is? Everybody's trying to pour something in on top of that to stop it. You can't do it that way. It's the wrong way and it never works. So you try to put yogurt, milk, you name it, essential oils, all kinds of things. You're trying to treat. Never works. I'm here to tell you. And even if you use the natural side, doesn't matter. You're trying to treat. And if anybody taught us their treatment doesn't work, it's medical doctors. Of course, they don't use anything that's viable in their treatments except toxic chemicals, but still, in the treatment consciousness is a lazy, unaware, low-level, I don't even know what else to add to it. You can't come out on top with treatment. And you'll always throw crap in on the fire to see if it'll stick. It just doesn't stick. So if you have been this long with prostatitis, you didn't give me your PSA though. See what your PSAs are. That'll give me a little help for you there. So don't buy into the Lupron, any of that crap like that. Get yourself on a grape diet. Someone asked about the grape fast. Get yourself on a grape fast. Eat grapes for the next 10 days. That'll pull that PSA right down a little bit. Get your kidneys filtered. Get some herbs for the kidneys. Get a couple formulas for the kidneys, the adrenal glands. You want to get on that GI tract and clean the GI tract because you can have a buildup on the wall of the gut and have a toxic gut feeding the kidneys. That's why we go after the gut. Same time. We don't want any feeds to any of the tissues. We want that cleaned. And remember, remember the embryonic tail. That's your gut right there. We're going to have fun going into that with Pat. This is just fun stuff, But when you appreciate that lymphatic forum, you'll appreciate Pat's class. Because then you'll know you're really getting some good, some good A and P, and it's not so far out there that even they don't understand what they're looking at. And they admit it. But that's what I would do. In terms of sweet things, you just got fungus. I'm the same way. After all these years, I don't know of a fruitarian that doesn't like a few little sweet things. But, we all have fungus in us. I don't know any higher being that doesn't have adrenal gland issues anyway. You got to have adrenal gland weakness to get out of this place. You got to be slapped and beat up and think, okay, I'm done, I want to go. But that's what I would do, go after that. You could use a prostate formula, only because it's anti-inflammatory, but I really don't use it much. Anti-inflammatory. Herbs, and the diet is anti-inflammatory, the kidneys are anti-inflammatory, everything you're doing is anti-inflammatory. But if you want to add the prostate formula, add that. Do not add your hemby or any of the male reproductive type herbs because they're way too hot. You're on fire in the prostate. You want to cool that baby down. So that's the way I would go and get this done. Because the longer you wait, the more cells you're going to beat up there and, that sort of thing. And what's your PSA? PSAs for a man used to be 0 to 3. And then, of course, as labs are getting crazy, they upped it to 0 to 4. Well, no. you're going down because more men are failing in their prostate in lower numbers than ever before. An 80-year-old could handle PSAs of maybe 10, 15 back in the day. A young guy, I had a man in here, PSAs of 2 prostate cancer. So much for the 4. You know, so I mean, it's just, you've just got to be really smart. And you guys, I hope I'm helping you enough to get you up there. You know.